The airport. We are traveling to the Philippines today together with this one. She's a bit stressed. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, brother. Yeah, so really excited about that. 15-hour flight, layover in Manila, and then we go from there. So see you there. Say hola.
5 hours later.
How much?
Five hours. We're delayed.
5-hour delay in Manila, but we made it.
No, it's not 5.
Oh, less than 5. And now we have to parachute out. Oh no. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the vlog. Today we are in, where are we?
In El Nido,
In El Nido.
Philippines.
This is where we are. We just had a very good night here, slept well, early breakfast. We rented a scooter for today, and now we're going to one of the Nakpan beaches, which is about 45 minutes away. And must be really beautiful, so looking forward to it. You? Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah, I need a tan.
She needs a tan, so see you there.
The next day.
Bom dia.
Today we have a trip lined up. We're going to Tour A, the big lagoon it's called here in the Philippines. And the pictures we've seen are all incredible, so can't wait to go there today and check it out. Okay.
Wait, you're gonna do it yourself.
Are you scared?
Wait, are you gonna do it together? 3?
You jump that way, I jump that way.
Okay.
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. 15?
No, 50. It's like so hot. I'm so burned.
Burn light. It is probably 50.
Come on, cat, faster.
Going on. Bon appetit.
No sun, that's good. A little bit.
Yeah, let's hope it stays like that. Morning.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The things you don't see before the zip line.
Yeah.
Cardio.
Josh, yung nag-uwi ako. Wala pang pira. Josh, di ba yung nag-uwi ako? Nagpa-ano ka ng ulam 50? Oo. Hindi ka pa nalimot yun. Talaga naman. Kayo nagpaano sa akin ng ulam. Kayo. Marami kayo.
Good.
Ano kayo? Ayos na yan. Pang may utang pala kayo. Pero sa akin, wala ka utang.
Hola.
We are on
Leo Beach.
Leo Beach. Destination number unknown. How many beautiful things we've seen. And you have some iced coffee, which is pretty good. And here in the Philippines, they're pretty eco-friendly about all their stuff. They don't leave a lot of trash and shit. Oh, I can't say shit from Gabi. They don't leave a lot of trash here.
Yes, and everywhere we go, they give us reusable straws. This is bamboo, and even at bars they have like metal straws. And yeah, no plastic anywhere.
And we've been to Bali as well, where it was a lot more trash and plastic and stuff, which is not very cool when you have such a beautiful country and the Philippines really do their best with that kind of stuff. So appreciate it. This is our last day in El Nido, and we had a wonderful time in this beautiful island. And it's sad to say, but tomorrow we're going to leave for Coron. But we see so many beautiful beaches here and really had a great time here. And now it's time to say goodbye, and I see a plane incoming. So this is the plane we're taking to leave tomorrow. How cool is that? See you in Coron.
Oh, you're just the same as I used to know. Always playing games in the strangest ways. And you come and go, 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 just like before. I should have known. Oh, you're just the same as I used to know. Always playing games in the strangest ways. And you come and go, 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 just like before. I should have known. I should have known. You reminded me of love. I'm just walking down that road. It's in the blood and more. And it's just like an old friend coming up, yeah, I know them. Dropped up in the driveway, locked up cause it's stolen. Not looking for problems, one looking, I'm all in. It's late in the morning, if I fall down then I can keep crawling. And it's just like an old friend coming up, yeah, I know them. You're just the same as I used to know. Always playing games in the strangest ways. You come and go, 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 just like before. I should have known. I should have known. You reminded me of love. I'm just walking down that road. It's in the blood and more. And it's just like an old friend coming up, yeah, I know them. Dropped up in the driveway, locked up cause it's stolen. Not looking for problems, one looking, I'm all in. It's late in the morning, if I fall down then I can keep crawling. And it's just like an old friend coming up, yeah, I know them. Dropped up in the driveway, locked up cause it's stolen. Not looking for problems, one looking, I'm all in. It's late in the morning, if I fall down then I can keep crawling. I got a couple old friends, I swear I'm trying to make amends. Forget the years I haven't been, and we can ride around again like before, making up our own laws. I got a couple old friends.
What are we doing here today, Gabi?
Diving!
We're going for our PADI. Today is water confined dive, so we're practicing all day. We studied 5 modules, and then day 2 and 3 is open water diving. And then we get our PADI, hopefully, if we succeed the test.
For 8 weeks. Pero kung saglit lang,
Captain? Yes. Are you ready? You're synchronized. Your right hand, fingers, left hand. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Gabi and I signed up to do the PADI. So when we arrived in Botswana, our first day we just did study, and at the end of the day we did an exam. We did open water diving where we went a bit deeper, and although it was really cool, I didn't really enjoy it as much. After day 2 I told Gabi I'm not sure if I like this, and I kind of decided, well, maybe diving is not for me. I'm here chilling on the boat with our captain Mel, and she's in the water right now with our dive instructor Quinn to get certified for her PADI.
Here is Gabriella descending towards depths. On her way, she spots a few little fish which have a big resemblance to Finding Nemo. She inflates her BCD so she doesn't crash towards the bottom. She swims through an old Japanese warship which was sunk in World War II. She swims perfectly straight, like a dolphin. Here we see some footage of the warship and some beautiful fish around the coral. Here she spots a fish and she sees a big ancient fish which has been in the water for a long time. What a beautiful sight. Let's hope it's not hungry.
A few moments later.
I also told you this afternoon a bit about my diving experience, and I think in life it's very good to try things just to see how you like it. It's the same as with driving a car or snowboarding or whatever. You really need to experience it in order for you to kind of judge on how you find it. I kind of went into my story about how I ended up in Canada before. The adaptation has gone quite well. I've been busy with applying for jobs, going to events, and trying to connect with people in order for me to find a job, and that has been going pretty well. Just before the holiday, got a few things going there, and hoping that after the holiday I have a final talk with a few companies to hopefully give the go-ahead and start somewhere. Why did we choose the Philippines? Gabi's brother Ivan lives in Hong Kong. He's opening a gym there, which is really, really cool, and we were invited to go to the opening of his gym where he's a personal trainer. So because it's a 15-hour flight to Hong Kong, we decided might as well take advantage of the break that I have and explore one of the most beautiful islands in the world here, the Philippines. We traveled to two places, El Nido and Coron, and spent 5 days in both little cities and explore that a bit, see around, enjoy the culture a bit, do boat trips, and just enjoy the holiday and relax with just the two of us. And has been really, really good. We enjoyed it really much, and yeah, can't wait to go to our next destination, Hong Kong, and see what's up there.